What's the meaning of assessor? Assessor. Assessor.
Assessor. Assessor. An assessor is a person who evaluates or judges the value, quality, or importance of something. Typically, assessors are responsible for determining the monetary value of property, such as real estate or personal belongings, for purposes of taxation or insurance. They may also be involved in assessing the worthiness of individuals seeking loans or other forms of financing. In a broader sense, an assessor can be anyone who makes a judgment or assessment about something. The term is often used in legal and professional contexts, but can also apply to informal situations.